Hi, I'm Mustafa Al Momin. I'm the founder and CEO of Palki Motors Limited. Palki Motors Limited is an electric vehicle company. We manufacture two types of electric vehicle for a commercial passenger car, that is for the ride-sharing driver. Another one is the electric pickup for companies' large mile delivery. So we operate in Bangladesh right now, but our headquarters is in Singapore. So we are targeting a $3.1 billion market in Bangladesh for a commercial vehicle. So the idea first came in 2009 when I was an electrical engineering student. So I was studying electric motors, and I thought like, hey, if I put this motor with high enough torque to a car, it could be an electric car. So the idea came to my mind as like subconscious level. So I pursued that one after like 12 years of like having this idea. I had a list of dreams that I want to achieve before I die. The amount of money I need to make those dreams possible. This is the only idea that I found is able to take me to that level. So I want to go for the IPO, and then it's like I want to have this money to build my other dreams after like 10-15 years. There's lots of problem with ride-sharing drivers. For example, the fuel price is very high. Like it takes like 15 cents to go 1 kilometer. In our electric car, it takes only 1 cent per kilometer. The maintenance cost is really low for electric vehicle, as there's like fewer like moving parts. And also, since we are locally made, that's why like customer can buy our car at like at least 40% lower cost. So that's why people loves our product. So our product is better in multiple angles. For example, there is no other company trying to manufacture cars in Bangladesh, or most of them are imported. That's why our one is the affordable option. Second is that our biggest competitive advantage is our own R&D, that like we design the chassis, design the vehicle, and it passes to European standard. So that puts us ahead of this company. And another one is that customer knows about us. Where's the first one? We have the first mover advantage, and we got lots of free PRs from the media. So people trust us, and people think that this is their product, and they are helping us to make a locally made product, a made in Bangladesh product, as well as when they talk with us, they feel that us as like family members. So that's why we treat them like this. That's why like they trust us. So it is a really exciting moment for us. But what happened is that I know that I passed all the sources of like mentorship, funding in Bangladesh, locally available, because like it is like in Bangladesh there's like fewer crazy people like me. I know that I have to go to Accelerating Asia, because Accelerating Asia is a top prestigious accelerating company that we know in Bangladesh. So Bangladeshi people really value about this one. So I was like crazy that I must have to be there. I was like, in the interview, I was like telling to the mentors, like, hey, by any chance, if I don't get chance, like, is there any other way that I can go to like Singapore? Because like, I must have to come to Singapore. I have to raise money to fulfill the orders that I have. I took like 31 orders. Without funding, how I can make those cars, right? So like, Accelerating Asia, it was my dream to come here. And it feels like my dream comes true after like joining here. So I mean, it has been a revolutionary change on my mind. So first of all, I could border my mind. So before I was like conservative. It's like I used to do things like little slow, like takes like little risks. But like after coming here, for example, I had a meeting with like Alex, and we talked about the pricing. And we did a little bit of tweaking, and like last week we got 7 sales. Okay, so that was like really awesome. And another thing is that the weekly stand-up, that really helps us keep accountable and like go to the line that where we go and get the success. So Accelerating Asia's program is like helps us get into the line way faster than I could go alone. Like I tell to my friend, like, hey, if you are accepted into Accelerating Asia, then like you're way more closer to success than like going any other else. Because like, the people who runs this program, they were the founders. They know our pain, They are successful, so they know how to get to success point. They can feel us, like other people who just like came from like banking and like all other channel. They are not gonna understand us because like they didn't suffer the amount of pain we suffer. So like they understand us. We can rely on them. We can cry to them. We can like have celebrate our success with them. So like they will understand us. And I think like if you want someone that like in this like painful journey, if you want someone that Accelerating Asia who is your best friend, like to go along. So if you get chance, you must have to. I mean, this is very hard to get into this program. So if you're lucky, then yeah, you get the chance to like join this program.